HVAC systems present one of the most challenging environments for connectors. They're exposed to extreme hot and cold temperatures, thermal shock, dust, debris, condensation, humidity, and corrosion, and all of these can happen inside and outside the system. To stand up to these extreme conditions, HVAC design engineers need reliable connectors that have IP-rated protection from water, dust and debris, and flame-retardant material, as well as extra locking mechanisms that meet GWT and UL 94V0 safety requirements. Explore TE Connectivity's space-saving and reliable connectors that have been thoroughly tested to ensure they provide the environmental, electrical, and mechanical performance needed in your HVAC systems. The 2.5mm sealed signal double lock connectors are IP67 water and dust proof that are rated up to 3 amps per line and 250 volts AC. They feature a double lock plate to ensure correct loading and mating of the contacts, with an audible click when the contact is fully inserted into the housing to ensure maximum sealing performance. Universal mate and lock connectors are IP57 rated connectors that feature positive polarization, positive locking, and rear cavity identification for easy and error-resistant assembly. The connectors are rated for up to 19 amps and 600 volts and are available in gold or tin plating to resist high current shock. PowerVersa lock connectors include an extra locking mechanism and a mounting clip on the cap housings to reduce connector movement in high vibration applications. They're rated for up to 15 amps at 600 volts AC. Options include IP67 sealing and a TPA or back cover accessory for increased reliability. RAST-5 connectors offer reliable, safe power connections with highly efficient assembly processes. They're rated for up to 20 amps and 600 volts AC, with optional silver plating for resistance to high current shock. Connectors are available to meet UL 94V0 and IEC 60335 glow wire test flammability standards.